up, y'all? Got some Chick-fil-A dupe chicken nuggets. I want to do, you know, a 100 chicken nugget like food challenge so bad. It's just something I just feel like I want to do because it's something I feel like I can do, but maybe one day. But you get these from Sam's. They're supposed to be like a copycat of the Chick-fil-A nuggets, which is the definitive best nuggets in the game. And it's my first time trying G. Hughes sugar-free Polynesian, so we're gonna see what that's about. I like his barbecue sauce and his ketchup and all that kind of stuff, so let's see if his Polynesian sauce is any good. And I made these in the oven, so they're gonna have that kind of burnt bottom, like kind of thing. Let's just get into it. And it tastes like it came out of the oven too. Okay. It's pretty good, ain't nothing crazy. I definitely wouldn't trade regular Polynesian sauce for that, but it's nice to have. But I don't know how to describe it, but it has a more distinct flavor in comparison to regular Polynesian. And I get it that sugar plays a role in it, but I don't know. It's not nasty, it's just not, you know. For the top. Now it's a party. So it's not the worst thing in the world to eat fried foods in the oven. It's cleaner and healthier, but obviously stuff that's meant to be fried is always going to be best fried. Everybody knows that. But the thing about the air fryer that I like so much was that it was the best alternative to having the food be fried and still be delicious. Especially depending on the air fryer you got. The one that I have bought that we use, I want to say the brand name is Polynesian, I think, or something like that. And it was a damn good air fryer. It got the job done. Trust me. So the fact that I'm sitting here eating these dry ass oven baked chicken nuggets. One of the greatest things Walmart could have ever did was make their own version of popular restaurant sauces. And I know Chick-fil-A sells Polynesian sauce, and I know Walmart sells the Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce and the Chick-fil-A sauce and all that kind of stuff, but for something that, better say, cheaper, a little bit more affordable, this is a good alternative. I mean, if you want to spend an extra dollar or two, or how much more it is for the actual Chick-fil-A sauce or whatever, I ain't gonna stop you. But just know this exists. This one. The other one that say chicken finger dipping sauce, that's Raising Cane's. But even with this, right? Sometimes I'm eating all this stuff, and I think to myself, I don't even want to bother going back to like fast food and nothing like that, right? So all it takes is just understanding what it is that you're trying to eat or whatever. Understand the money that you gotta spend, the brands that you're looking for, or whatever the case may be, and be able to make it a reality. But I'm trying to put my finger on this. Because as soon as I eat it, like, it's that first little rush of taste that is so known. But I can't. Not counting water, the two most ingredients in the ingredient label is modified cornstarch and cider vinegar. Now it just says cider vinegar, not apple cider vinegar. it does kind of give me a taste similar to that. And of course, there's pineapple juice in this, but that main taste that I'm getting when I'm eating this is like a cidery type of like taste, and that's unlike regular old Polynesian, you know. I wish I had some regular Polynesian, but I don't. Like I said, it's not nasty. It's pretty good. It's really more just a matter of having to get used to it. You get used to it, just like with Coke Zero. I ain't gonna say I hated Coke Zero, because even though the taste is different, you can tell the difference between Coke Zero and regular Coke. It's still a good ass flavor. I could live the rest of my life never drinking a regular Coke again. If I can have Coke Zero in my life, I'm happy. Diet Coke, on the other hand, unless you're getting it from McDonald's, there ain't really no point in getting it because the taste is just too distinct from regular Coke. So currently I'm watching this movie called Hellfest. A little horror, a little slasher movie or something, I guess. Came out in 2018, I think. I'm only like 11 minutes in. So I don't know why I keep bothering watching these movies, but I do. I guess because I could watch a kind of bad or average, like, little like horror movie or whatever and still kind of get some kind of enjoyment out of it. I don't know. Maybe because I was scary as hell as a kid, with a drop of a penny would make me jump, and I'm just kind of conquering child. I don't know. God, these things are so damn dry. Should have been a dry chicken nugget challenge. And I just remembered I bought honey. So I could have just put that in a bowl with some yellow mustard and made my own little honey mustard. And believe it or not, that's what made me fall in love with honey mustard. Just taking honey and mustard, the most basic, straightforward approach to making homemade honey mustard at home, and just loving it. That would have been disrespectful. Because you dry that thing, don't deserve it. I don't even feel good using this because I like this. But I got to get some kind of enjoyment out of it. But if you're watching this and you're a parent or uncle or aunt or whatever, don't feed this to your kids. Do it in the air fryer if you got one. And if you do in the oven, make sure that you put it on a leveling rack. and that your oven has a convection mode or whatever. That way, the heat circulates like an air fryer and cooks all the way through. It'll be crispy on all ends, which, like, I'm not gonna say it's not crispy, but the problem is, to get it crispy like this, sacrificed a lot of moisture. So I'm saying these things is drier as hell. I wouldn't even feed these to a dog. Anything to spice things up. I want to stop the video so bad. It's getting worse and worse the more I keep eating them. I know I only got a few left, but still, it's a nightmare. It's so dry, bro. So damn dry. I can't do it. For anybody's gonna be upset for me for like wasting these little 6 little dry nuggets and that pull of sauce I just poured, I apologize, but I can't afford myself to keep eating this any further. Like I'm 25 minutes for this? No. Like I don't even know where the time be going sometimes. You know, it's like, but anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I appreciate anybody who decided to watch this crap, but you know, we're gonna do better. We're gonna get better. Anyway, that's gonna be it. Till next time, peace out.